Welcome to Tech World channel. Today I'll show you how to change auto lock time or screen timer settings in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. Now the first thing you have to do is swipe from top to bottom and then tap on this gear icon to open up your settings app. Now from here scroll down and then go to display. After that scroll down again. Then go to screen timeout option. Now from here you can change your screen timeout settings. Here you can see 6 options: 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 5 minutes and 10 minutes. And you can set any option as you want. If I select 5 minutes and then go back and it's done. Now you can see in my phone auto lock time is 5 minutes. Now after 5 minutes this device will lock automatically. And that is how you can change screen timeout settings or auto lock time in your Samsung Galaxy M14 4G phone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe.